Chika tayo guys, pero look, tingnan nyo, ang dami naming ulam, kami lang dalawa. So maganda kasi kapag may mga leftover guys. So samahan nyo ako guys sa vlog. So yun, pagbangon ni Indemirian, si Tami andito na no. Meron po siyang mga nire-record guys ng mga series like The Flying Nun, ganyan yung mga nire-record niya. So kaya wala na siya sa tabi ko kasi sobrang aga, 2 o'clock gumising na yan guys at nag-start na ng recording. Iwan ko po sa inyo, ay ang dami nyo nagtatanong kung bakit hindi ako katabi ni Tami or hindi na ba ginaganahan sa Tami sa akin o nagda-dry-dry na kaming dalawa. Guys, alam nyo guys, kung kayong mag-asawa no, ito mga lulat dit, mga edad na, alam naman nila talaga kapag mag-asawa na tayo at matagal na, hindi na talaga ganahan. Charot, hindi ay, ano lang talaga yan, ganyan yung asawa ko. Pero wag na kayo magtanong kasi alam naman talaga natin na kung matagal na yun tayong mag-asawa, hindi na talaga yan priority sa atin. No? Okay lang yan sa mga unang taon, 2, 7, mga 7, 10 years, ganun. Okay pa yan sa ganun, pero pag sobrang tagal na, iwan ko na lang. No? Pero hindi natin masasabi din na ang lahat ng tao ganyan, no? Kasi magkaiba naman tayo. Meron akong mga naririnig na mga 50, 60, no? Inuwagan pa. Nagluluto lang ako ng aking breakfast kasi alam naman nating lahat na si Tami talagang hindi talaga mahilig mag-breakfast. No? Depende na yan sa kanya, yung parang tukar-tukar lang yan pagkagutom ba. So ngayon, meron siyang planong umalis. So sabi ko, samahan ko siya guys. Kasi talagang, ewan ko, gusto ko sumama sa kanya. Kasi, you know, nandito lang tayo sa bahay, wala naman tayong ginagawa. Sabi pa niya sa akin, gusto ko talagang sumama. Sabi ko, so, wag na, pwede naman dito ka. Sabi ko, wag na si mong kagaral. So, sumama talaga ako guys. Namalbas in the minute kasi bunguton lang tayo. Totoo talaga yung sinabi ni Dr. Ong, no, Willie Ong ba? Nasabi pa niya, kung magsobra kang magbasa ng mga comment na mga negative or mga haka-haka or kung ano ng mga salitang mga hindi okay. Totoo pala yung sabi niya, nakaka-stress. So, kaya ako guys, kung nakikita niyo hindi ako masyadong nagbabasa ng comment or nag-reply, pero doon lately sa isang page ko guys, ang daming mga toxic na mga Pilipino talaga nagdagsaan guys. Ang aking page is ang community ng mga basher, nandun sila lahat. But anyway, so kaya hindi na ako nagbasa ng mga comment kasi alam nyo na sakit sa ulo guys. So paminsan talaga no, sa tama si Dr. Willie Ong, magkasakit tayo kapag meron tayong mga iniisip na hindi okay at mga haka-haka ang mga gawang istorya lang. But anyway, thankful pa rin ako sa asawa ko kasi kahit anong haka-haka, you know, ipakita talaga niya na ano siya. Yung parang sobrang hindi palakiro, no? May baon pa si Indemirian kasi alam nyo na magugutom si Indemirian na magkulapsi tayo, matitigok tayo nito, no? So kailangan natin ng ito nagpakita na talaga ako kay Tami kung ano yung mga dinadala ko guys. So andito na siya sa kanyang appointment and then pagkatapos niya, no, finally andito na siya guys. So ngayon, anong balita? Wow, you're here.
What's my hair look like? A mess?
Fine.
Oh, you said, wow, you're here.
No, I said you're here, so what's wrong?
Nothing's wrong. They just took their time. It's like,
What
they're
happened?
actually pretty busy on Sunday.
I see a lot of people
Yeah.
in and out.
Yeah.
So what is going on?
They only got one provider in.
So what
It's
is
Sunday.
going on to you? Your physical?
Nothing. They do the physical and then you gotta wait for the paperwork.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
But, you know, the old place used to send the paperwork right into the DMV and I gotta send it myself now.
I'm freezing just to not waste gas.
I left you the keys.
I know, my foot is hard. I don't want to waste gas because you yell at me all the time.
Yeah, okay.
So let's go buy some chicken and salad for you. Of course. Ha? Hello. Uy, meron pumilo. Look at that. Hot. I don't like. Do you like that? They don't have much. Yeah, I know. It's organic. It's not really good though.
I said they only got like 3.
It's okay. It's only for you. I'm busy, honey. You know I don't eat. Starving. I don't need the additional weight. Oh, it's right here. Saging mana. Bunalan ta karon, bunalan ta kang anong ipalit na ko kaani. Anong ipalit kaani? Come on, let's go get to the meat area. I want squid. Hanap na sad mig squid. Dito na. I'm gonna cook this tonight, love. Huh? Can I cook it tonight? I don't want that. I want this with the black. You still have black in it. Just one, love. Just one. Hala, there is alcohol. Hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh my God, ang saya. Look, escargot, honey. Escargot. May alcohol, guys. Oh, escargot lang. Ay. What is that?
That's a squid.
I can bake this for you.
Octopus?
I can bake this. No, octopus. You just get octopus. Uy, may kuhol dito, oh. Sarap, ana, oh. Uy, gara. Ito. I'm gonna make bihon, honey. Look. For bihon.
Okay.
Oh, sinigang, oh. $2 lang, oh. For your salad, with the salad, I'll cook it. Okay?
You get a couple of, how much? A pound.
Wala, $19 lang.
No, $10 a pound. That's
Yeah, no, forget it.
3 days more on that one.
Ito yung nasabi ko sa kanya, wag nang maraming kaya ng tomato sauce man ito. Ang dami kasi sa bismin. Guys, si Mister kapag may sale talaga, bibili yan siya, no? At hindi talaga yan mapipigilan kapag gusto niya. Are you happy of your grocerying?
Just the crushed tomato stuff for making sauces on sale, so it's a good day to get them. And price.
What price?
Look at the price you pay for those chicken thighs. Probably $5.99 a pound.
That's okay. That's for your salad for tomorrow. You have to. Are you gonna bring food tomorrow?
Probably, yeah.
Oh my kiyaloy! Misty, you're crazy. Okay, it's in the box at hand. Hindi talaga ako makapaniwala na masarap siya. It's your birthday. It's your birthday too. Huh? Wait. Do you want a salad? What is that? Do you want salad? Sweeter. No. So, wala lang pa sa liyan pa. Hi, me.
Probably 3 ounces.
Sarap. Enjoy it while it's in there. The garlic. Good. You think? It's cold now, honey.
Good. Might as well find out.
I want you to enjoy it, love. Okay. You add more, okay? Just enjoy it while it's still here. It's not running away. Sarap nito, guys, ba? Hindi talaga ako makapaniwala na masarap siya. Very simple lang yung pagkaluto.